In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely transfer Ethereum, or ETH, from Binance to Trust Wallet for the 2025 update. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, or even if you've been using it for a while, securely transferring your digital assets is crucial. So, let's take it step by step to ensure you can do this confidently and securely. First off, you'll need your ETH address from Trust Wallet. Start by opening Trust Wallet on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on Receive. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies. Simply search for Ethereum or select it if it's visible. Here's an important detail. When you see your Ethereum address, it should start with GoX, which indicates that you're using the standard Ethereum network known as ERC20. Make sure this address is specifically for ETH on the particular network you're planning to use. Otherwise, you might encounter issues later. Now, let's move on to Binance. Whether you're using the Binance app or their website, the process is largely similar. Log into your account and navigate to your wallet, specifically to your fiat and spot section, or whichever holds your ETH. Here, you'll need to initiate the withdrawal process for sending your ETH to Trust Wallet. Locate Ethereum in your wallet, and then tap on either Withdraw or Send Crypto, depending on what's available. In the space labeled Recipient Address, carefully paste the ETH address you copied from Trust Wallet. This step is critical as any paste or copy errors could lead to significant losses, so double-check everything. Next, you'll have to choose the network for the transfer. Typically, you'll want to select ERC20 if you're sending native ETH. However, Binance might offer lower-cost options like BEP20, which is part of the Binance Smart Chain, or others. While Trust Wallet does support multiple blockchains, make sure the network you select matches. Otherwise, your funds could be lost or require manual recovery. Once you've got the network sorted, enter the amount of ETH you wish to transfer. Binance will clearly indicate the withdrawal fee, so keep this in mind to ensure you have enough ETH to cover both the amount you're sending and any associated fees. With all the details in place, it's time to review your transaction. Check again that the receiving address is correct and that the network you've chosen is appropriate for the type of ETH you're sending. Confirm the amount and pay attention to the fees one more time. If everything looks right, you might need to complete any required verifications like entering an email code or providing two-factor authentication. After all, confirmations are done. The transaction will enter the blockchain. The time it takes to process will vary depending on the network. Generally, ERC20 can be slower and more expensive than options like BEP20. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your ETH should appear in your Trust Wallet under the right token entry. That's it. By following these steps, you should now have successfully transferred your Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet.